Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the key benefits of Vanguard Cash Plus. The Vanguard Cash Plus account is a cash management account that offers a number of advantages for managing your short-term savings. One of the main benefits is the competitive interest rate, which is often higher than what you would find at a traditional bank savings account. Another key benefit is the high level of FDIC insurance coverage. While a typical savings account is insured up to $250,000, Vanguard Cash Plus provides up to $1.25 million in FDIC insurance for individual accounts through a network of partner banks. This gives you peace of mind knowing your cash is well protected. The account also offers flexibility and convenience. You can link it to various payment apps, set up direct deposits, and pay bills electronically. This makes it a great hub for your everyday financial needs. Additionally, there are no minimum balance requirements or monthly service fees if you enroll in e-statements. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.